Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Horizon Bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Horizon Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address horizonbank.com like this, and hit on enter. And after that you'll be redirected to the home page of Horizon Bank like this, where you can directly sign into your account or your Horizon Bank account from over here where it says the online banking. And this is the login panel where I'm hovering right now with my mouse, guys. In order to log into your Horizon Bank ID, you will be required to go through these credential steps, but if you have not yet created an account on Horizon Bank, you can easily sign up for Horizon Bank from the enroll button available over here at the top right corner of the panel of the login panel. If you click on that enroll button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to sign up for a Horizon Bank account. That being said, let's enter our user ID, and add that into your password. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can simply retrieve or reset your password from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve or reset your account's password, going through a different procedures. And guys, after entering your user ID and your password, simply click on login over here, and then you'll be signed into your Horizon Bank account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.